The business world is changing rapidly, at a pace often quicker than our own grasp. To ensure your organization is well equipped to face these infinite innovations, your workforce must be well trained to face the business needs of tomorrow. You cannot optimize your operations, improve your products and services, while the team who actually performs this work is outdated. CEOs worldwide have confirmed that improving the business analysis practices within their organizations has led to 63% increased project success rates and 72% optimized utilization of resources and time. For improved business outcomes, business analysts need to become the business investigators who can identify problems, root causes, and propose, design, and implement most suitable solutions. Business Borderlines offers training programs to equip professionals with analytical, strategical, as well as cognitive skills to rise up to the expectations of tomorrow. Our program starts with Requirements Engineering Foundation Level, Agile Business Analysis, Business Analysis Mastery, Strategy Analysis. All courses are accredited by international certification bodies such as International Requirements Engineering Board. Sign up for registration in our upcoming business analysis program today. businessborderlines.com